Ji, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, Sarisham, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. My name is Umair from Kohota. In this lecture, we will discuss about what is blogging, how to write an article, and which things is important like SEO and SEO define parts are on-page SEO and off-page SEO, um, and how many types of SEO, um, and how to write an article, what is a domain, what is a hosting, and now a little short knowledge about WordPress. So first of all, we uh, talking about what is the blogging. So blogging is writing a article or act like a writer um, to a particular niche or topic, um, or event based uh, blogging. Event based blogging like seminar, um, summer vacations, Christmas, Eid, holidays, or um, um, education based. So moving down, what is the blogging, what is a hosting, and what is a domain? So domain, like your website name, or there are two types, top level domain and second level domain. So top level domain like .com, .org, .net, and the second level domain or like Being Guru, um, Freelancer, Guru, or Fiverr, or whatever you mind. So moving down, talking about hosting. Hosting where data is your website data is saved. So mm, talking about how to create a website. There are, I think there are many ways, but we will discuss three ways. So first of all, WordPress, and the second one is the custom coding like HTML, CSS. Um, we, these language can understand developer. So my opinion is go to WordPress and create a website. The question is how to create a website and how much time to create a website. So um, you watch videos on website, YouTube, and know, you watch some videos, like 20 minutes to make a website, or maybe 40 minutes to create a website in WordPress. Mm, you can, it depends on your skills. So my personal experience share with you. um, my first When I created my first website, um, I created a website on WordPress like 2 or 3 hours. So uh, my personal opinion is WordPress is not difficult. Go and check out. There are some plugins, and use these plugins, and it's free of cost, and you must learn. Um, you can join DigiSkills from there are many courses, but um, uh, I learned these courses. The first one is SEO, and now my mind or mindset is I am going for WordPress. Uh, I have knowledge about WordPress, so I um, um, you can say I um, WordPress skills on my fingertips. So when I create a website or blog, there are many things to understand. The first one is SEO, and the SEO is a main hub or main points, you can say, in your website. So SEO is a more important and then you created WordPress or website. So if you not understand SEO, then you flop. And please, um, my opinion, or my you can say, um, my ideas, or my thinking, or please go and check out what is the SEO on DigiSkills. um, in SEO, there are three types. The first one is the white hat, black hat, and third one is the gray hat. White hat SEO, we follow the instruction of Google, and the second one is black hat, we do not follow the instruction of Google, and the gray hat SEO is a mixture of these two, like white hat and black hat. So we will discuss in this lecture now white hat SEO. And white hat SEO, there are two types. One is on page SEO, and the other is off page SEO. So on page SEO has heading, title, description, videos, links, and image. um, you have to maintain these four or five things. And the other one is off page SEO, where you learn how to backlink of your website, or something like that. So as a blogger, you have to understand which niche or topic uh, for go that, like event based, or particular niche. So the choice is yours. Thank you.